Hey everybody, it's Neil, and it's getting to be, well, summer now. It'll be winter soon, and these kids like soup and things and cup of soups and whatnot like that. So what I have here is a set of mugs. So let me show you what these look like here. We're gonna have a set of 6 of them. And this is what they look like. So they are a nice, big, hefty mug. So it'll be good for having, putting the cup of soups and stuff in there. We got 6 of them here. Let me grab, oh, this one had goop in it, but there we go. And these are nicely glazed. Look at that. They are nice ones here. We got 2. I can't take the ones that are upside down. Okay, 3. And so we have 3 and 3. So we have 6, and they look really nice. Let's just show you head here. So up close, you can see it's got like a little design there. I think it's like a bluish kind of color on there. I'm colorblind, so it's got a nice rim. Everything is nice and soft, feels good. Definitely looks and feels handmade, so it's really nice. And this will be great for drinking stuff or a little cup of soups and things like that as the winter comes upon us. So these are really nice. I like it. Totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.